Championships, and KCB were flagged off to the Women's CluB Africa Championships that will be taking place in Egypt, and they are saying that they are keen to win this year's championships. Let's listen in.
I'm so happy, I'm excited as the captain for KCB women volleyball team, going for this club championship in Nigeria. It's been long since Nigeria hosted, and I don't recall any day they hosted. It has been mostly in the Arabic countries, the North Africa. So right now going to Nigeria, it's a neutral ground for us, we can say, because going to play in the Arabic countries, sometimes it becomes a challenge. But right now we are in a neutral ground, I can say, and I'm so happy and positive of the outcome. I'm happy as a captain. I'm happy of the composition of the team. We are composed of experienced players and new players who are the first timers for this championship. As a team, we are just going to encourage them, to give them that support that they need, and tell them it's just a competition like any other. We are going to encourage them not to have that pressure, not to have feel they have fear, because it's just a competition like any other competition. We've been playing against any other team here in Kenya. So meeting them, we are going to encourage them that it's well, and it can be done. There's nothing new. It's just a competition. It's just volleyball like any other volleyball we play.
What I can say is that we have been there. You have been there several times, and last time we won this trophy was in 2022. 2023 you lost it, 2024 you lost it, but this 2025 we are very much hopeful that we are going to bring this trophy back. We have a good team, combined of experience and young players to boost the KCB squad, and I'm hopeful that you are going to do well in this championship in Nigeria.
That there is victory in the atmosphere. We have just flagged them off, and we are sending them with our best wishes and our blessings. And I think what has encouraged me is comments and remarks by the head coach and the technical bench. The girls are ready. Our women are ready. They are prepared. We have reminded them that they can win, and they are in it to win it.
Yes, of course, KCB are in it to win it, the Africa Women's CluB Championships. Now, remember, don't waste a second with the 1X app. Africa's top bookmaker recommends its branded app for Android.